Welcome to my channel. There are several different types of Farmacy natural makeup remover, each with its own features, advantages, and costs. Please read my description if you are interested in learning more about the price and other details. Let's watch the video without further ado. The Farmacy Way. Our goal is simple. We want to bring out the best version of your radiant self with the best possible, naturally derived ingredients. Each skincare and beauty product we craft uses cutting-edge science to harness the healing powers of ingredients that Mother Nature has been so kind as to provide for us. Melt that makeup. Sunflower and ginger root oils gently remove even the toughest long-wear makeup without stripping or drying, leaving skin hydrated and silky smooth. All-natural Moringa extract lifts away impurities from pollution so your skin stays younger and longer. Natural exfoliation. Natural enzymes found in papayas exfoliate and provide you with a wonderful, healthy glow. No makeup required. Only the best. The eye and face makeup cleaner for women is created from only naturally derived ingredients including moringa tree and turmeric extracts. It's also free of parabens, sulfates, and artificial coloring and is not tested on animals. How to use: scoop a generous amount with the included spatula, and use your fingertips to massage into the skin with gentle upward and outward circular motions. The solid balm will melt into an oil on contact with the skin, then a milky lather when water is applied. Splash with water or wipe off with a warm, damp washcloth. Check out the description to find the product link. Thank you for watching this video.